Bill Zeltman, America's real estate guru, talking about video creation tips for realtors. Today we are on tip number 8 of 15, and this is a good one. Use live videos. Well, what does that mean? How does that work? Well, you can go on and Instagram, Facebook, I think Twitter now, now has it. You can go and actually go live. I find it's most beneficial from Facebook, and you can, if you have your Facebook and your Instagram linked, you can go both at the same time, and you really need to do that. That's another tip for another section for this. But going live. So when do you go live? Go live at an open house. Go live the night before an open house. Show up at the house, you're putting the yard, the yard signs maybe out and whatever, and go, hey, tomorrow, and you go live. Tomorrow, 12 to 3, I'm working this open house of this absolutely gorgeous home. I'm not going to give you a preview now, just a sneak peek, because you got to come out and see this house in person. And you do this video live. People will tune in. People will watch live videos, get tons of views, people. So use them. Go into a local business. Of course, let them know that you're going to do this before. I know a guy in New Jersey. He'll go into local restaurants and go live. Hey, I'm going into Tony's Baltimore Grill to pick up my favorite pizza in the world. And there's blah, 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 and this person and that person. Look, they're cooking it back there. And he's running his phone the whole time. He's building name face recognition. And again, people will tune in and they'll watch when they see that someone went live. So go live. Go into, like I say, local businesses. You're at an event. Let's say there's a parade. Thanksgiving Day parade, whatever, Christmas parade, St. Patty's Day parade, doesn't matter. Go live. People will tune in and watch it. The other thing I'll tell you is make sure that you publish without the delete. Publish your going live, because people will not just watch it live, they'll watch it after. One of the things that I know on Facebook, a default setting is delete post after 30 days. You want to put never delete, because people will go watch it even years later. Hey, do you know that the St. Patty's Day parade last year? Remember? Oh yeah, you know what? There was a video, blah, blah, blah. Or they'll just Google it and your video will come up. So go live, guys. It will get more people seeing you, watching you, and again, build that name face recognition for you. I'm Bill Zeltman. We're talking about video creation tips for realtors. Join us next time as we continue through the 15 tips for you.